that one. It's white. White pollen. Can you see it real good? I get it in the light.
So cool. It looks like.
Can we flip it?
Yeah.
Get the other side. This will be the outer side.
You're dead, huh? Look, babe. They're drawing out on that other one.
Oh, like trying to connect to it.
Maybe. Lift it up and look. Oh, wait, lift it up. Look. Where'd that one go? He's got all that pollen on his legs. So cool.
This one feels a lot heavier.
There's the queen. Well, there are. I think if there are any larvae in there, I mean, I guess it could be possible. Because you can't really see them.
Look, I do see some.
Some larvae?
Yep, right there. There's two of them. This bee's in the way. So there, she's already laying larvae. I seen them. Watch. Watch out. Let me see if I can see them. Shit, I can't see them. We didn't bring our tools.
They're in the truck. But that's okay.
I did see two of them. They plain as day. Like there's one right there.
Larva?
Bees getting in the way. Those little white specks. Yeah, there's some down there.
Okay, well, good.
Yeah, I could see them around now.
It's a good sign.
Let's look at the other side.
There's our queen. She's marked. We marked her. They're still drawing it out. So cool.
Not much on that side.
Quite a bit on this side, though.
So there's 4 really good sides. And then 2 small
Oh,
ones.
there's another one. There's another bee with a lot of. Where'd he go? There was one with a bunch of pollen on his little legs. There he is. I think. It's hard to tell on my phone. Do you see him?
No. He disappeared.
So sweet.